Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G and I'm gonna show you how to take motion photo in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's stay here. To take motion photo we have to tap on the second button from the right on this settings bar. So as you can see, just one tap to turn it on, another tap to turn it off. Now let me keep it turned on, and when we take a picture we should get 2-in-1, the photo and the short clip. So let me show you how it works by taking a photo. Now, to see it, let's move to the left to this button at the bottom that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is the picture with option View Motion Photo, so let's tap on it. And we can see the short clip. Let's play it again. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.